Hello, this is Janti slime, and today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to make slime. So first you need contact lens, baking soda, and Elmer's glue or any activator because we don't have borax because there's a pandemic going around and people hog the borax, which I can't get any, which is sad. Anyways, you're going to have to pour your glue inside a container, and this is optional. If you need any food coloring or paint, you can use it at this moment. We're doing a really simple slime tutorial today. If you guys like this video so far, please like and subscribe. We will be doing this 2 times a week or more, hopefully. So yeah, there's this pandemic going around and it's really bad. We can't leave our house and there's no borax, so I have to use contact solution, which is, it's not the best. Anyways, you pour some contact solution in. Don't pour too much because you don't want to activate it too much. You want to add baking soda and contact lenses until the slime stops sticking to the container. And then you can start using your fingers, which I will show you guys an example very shortly. I suggest you guys using the borax solution because it is so much better, because the baking soda, it makes the slime stop stretching, and that's really bad. That's how you want your slime to be. You want it to be stretchable. And the borax method is very, very clean. But yeah, so we're gonna add the baking soda in the slime, and you just want to stir it. This is how you want your slime to be, or how it looks when it's starting to come together. And then whenever you're ready, you start playing it with your hands if you feel comfortable. If it still sticks, then you can add more activator, which activates the slime. And then there you have made your slime. And if you guys want to see a blooper, wait till the end. No. My whole setup ruined.